We are camping by the river, a gushing river. This is our campsite.
We got lost for a little bit.
Got lost a little bit. This is way deep in Shenandoah Valley. In a remote place, but an awesome campsite. Right?
And
This is where we're going to put all the camps.
Yeah, and Ashish is in Swatyaka or sleeping.
They're still sleeping. And we have a couple of benches. This is a group site that we took, so all of us will be camping together. That's where we have our fire pit. Huge fire pit. They're figuring out how to put the tent up. And then we have the dinner section. వీళ్ళ వస్తారు మన వెనకాల ఉన్నారు 1 hour వెనకాల ఉన్నారు. How is the campsite, Akash? Right? And can you hear the sound of the river?